Okay, Tara, tell us how this thing works.
Okay, this is a forager's dream bag. It's amazing. So it's one little bag. You can see it's tiny, but it has so much stuff in it, anything you could possibly need for foraging. So I got these 3 bags here, but I have another one that's bigger than these. So you can keep your different species apart from each other. Each one has the toggles on it. So they have these little wooden toggles on there that make it so easy to you just stick them in these metal rings, and then this holds on there, which is awesome. There's this little metal clip here that holds the back on, so this just stays open. You're able to put things in easily. When you're done, you can just take this off here, and then you can unhook it easily. They close, and then you can just keep adding over here and getting another one out, and so they all stay separate while you're still out in the field. It's so great. And then over here in the side pocket, I keep my knife, and it comes with this knife. It has 2 different blades, the straight one and then this curved one, which this one is amazing for mushroom hunting and getting. And then I got this that has a brush in it, so we try to tell everyone we got to clean our stuff before bringing it home. So our roots, our mushrooms and stuff, we brush it off. And if you have other stuff you don't want touching the other stuff, you can also use this tube to put stuff in. And then it comes with a shema in the inside of here too. The shema's in here, and you can just lay that down, be able to put all your stuff, lay it out, and clean whatever you need to do, and then roll everything up and tie it up and be able to bring it back. So it's really awesome. And then also this bag doesn't, as it's around my shoulder like this, it also goes around your waist, so like a fanny pack, and you can just hang it on your waist like a belt. It's so great. It's so universal. I love it.
What's the advantages of like bringing just like a basket? Like, why did you decide on this one as opposed to just like a normal mushroom basket?
So a mushroom basket is big and bulky. You have to put everything into the basket, and then when you're foraging, everyone's grabbing from the basket, and then you have your forage stuff, and it's all mixed together in one basket. And then what do you do with the stuff that you foraged, or the stuff that you brought to forage, I should say?
Cool.